Hi guys, Retro Django here. Did you just watch the video Stern released with the new factory, Giga Factory? It looks so cool. I'm so excited about this. But there's a little thing I'm thinking about, and that is, did they plan all this back in the COVID times where they said we can sell like crazy? We're backlogged like 17,000 games and we just need a huge factory. I just don't hope that it's that scenario. I because they have a lot of expenses, and I hope that this is going to be a great profitable business for Stern, because the video pictures, they look absolutely astonishing. Stern is the big daddy of pinball, and they are just, this is amazing. I watched the video. I was so happy. So I watched it again. I mean, it's just so cool. They're working. They're moving right now. Everything looks just amazing. With this move, I think they have to make a lot of money, which means all sort of anniversary pinball machines will pump out, like next year, Godzilla 70th edition version. And they don't even need to be anniversary. They can just take a game like whatever, Ghostbusters, and call it Super Slime Edition and make thousands of them. I mean, why not? The only thing that I really hope that Stern will do is make SLE versions of all the games, all the upcoming games, all Keith Elwin games. I don't care what he makes. His upcoming game is Jaws. Oh, wait. Rumored game is Jaws. And I hope they make, the Pro, the Premium, Unlimited, and the 1,000 or whatever, 2,000 at least. Just make them. Who cares? But make like 100 super elites. Just make 100 of them. Just put a little topper on it. Nothing else. And just charge, I don't know, $25,000, whatever. Idiots will buy them. No one else cares. But make them on all the new upcoming games. Just pump up SLEs, because Stern you will earn so much extra money. And not only upcoming games, take your old library and make SLE. Just put a topper. No one even cares about new artwork. Just put a topper on, make 100 of them, and just SLE. All Elvin games, just make topper and SLE. Do it just for 20,000, 25,000. It's going to be so good for Stern. They're going to have so much money so they can produce more games, more licensed games, more designers, more games to us players. I'm not a direct. I won't call myself a collector. I like nice looking games. I have to be honest and say that yes, if they are 20 years old, they still have to look like new. That's important for me. But I use my games. I really play my games. I enjoy them, and Stern games are just up there. I almost all of the Stern games, unless they have really bad audio package, then I really enjoy Stern games. I mean, most of them are just fun. They're cool. And they, before COVID, they released 3 new cornerstones, and sometimes they vaulted, and at COVID times they went down to 2. And I don't like that. I want them to release 5 games, 6 games every year. All the designers come up with new games. Pros, LEs, just flood the market. I don't care. More pinball machines, more happiness for us gamers. It's so cool. And for those collectors, just make those 25,000 SLEs. As I said earlier, idiots will buy them. Just make them. Jaws, put a little shark on top, a shark fin that can move back and forth. call it for the SLE. I mean, why not? If Stern doesn't make those SLEs, if Stern doesn't make SLE on all the upcoming games, just make Venom SLE. Who cares, man? Just make them. James Bond, it doesn't sell that good, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Oh, I'm so sorry. Just make James Bond Goldfinger edition, make the whole cabinet gold. No other artwork. Take that lady laying on the bed with gold on her on both sides, okay, and on the back box, and something molded of her. Make 250 SLE. I will buy it because that's something for me. I love that theme. I love Goldfinger. So do that. An idiot like me will pay you 25,000. Jeez. Everybody's saying no to this. They have an agenda. Don't listen to them. Just listen to me. And, Back to the Future. 88 SLEs. If you don't make SLEs with this Gigafactory, I mean, what are you doing? You have to do this, and I'm telling you, those SLEs will sell like crazy. And my dear friend Don from Don's Pinball Podcast, he made his friend make SLE Elvira 40th anniversary edition. Real nice artwork on on the sides, on the cabinet. And as I was talking to him, one of the letters were hidden by the flipper button protector armor stuff, and he said, "No trouble. We can just go in and adjust it on the computer, so we can just move the letters. And if he wants, he can actually make almost one-to-one copy of the 40th edition. I mean, why not?" And I said to him, "Go ahead and buy an 8,000 Batman 66 Premium and print out those SLE labels and put them on that, and you have got an SLE. I know that stupid topper is missing, but people are charging like 20,000 bucks for that game. He can have complete SLE artwork, and the playfield is the same. I mean, so the possibilities today are just crazy, and I love it. And this big move from Stern, I was like, before I saw these videos, I was like, how are they going to move? How long will it take? The production will stop and backlog. But after watching this video, I think it's a 1 minute clip, and I'm sure more will come out. And I'm sure Jason Knapp will pump us with information with this move, because it's very exciting times for us gamers, collectors, whatever we want to call us. So cool. I'm so happy. I just watched it and I wanted to share my happiness with you guys. So just go ahead, all of us, just celebrate this. This is great news. And after this video, if Stern doesn't pump up those SLEs, again, what are they doing? Thank you for watching, guys. I want to hear what you're thinking. Is it a good idea? Do you think that they should make all upcoming games pump out at least 100 super limited editions? And also, when they have the time, do you think they should take their old games, all their Spike 2 pinball machines, Godzilla, Deadpool, Elvira, we have got it, and we have got the Jurassic Park, but they could still make a Jurassic Park super limited edition. I mean, why not? It's just money hanging on the trees. Is 25,000 each, and every sale is 25,000 bucks, and it will cost them about 1,000 bucks. So why not just pump it up? What do you think? Do you think Stern should do it? Write it down in the comments below. Let's have this discussion, because I really love when you guys are engaging on this video. Some of you guys are saying, Retro Django, I fully agree. It's such a cool idea. But some of you guys are saying, no, that's not a cool idea. I mean, you that have 26 limited edition Stern games, You don't want this because you're thinking if they do that, the value of my games will blah blah blah. But us gamers, us just buyers and just us that enjoys this hobby, I think people like me, we will love it. Have a great day out there. And Stern, I love you guys. I wish you the best of luck. I hope everything goes smooth as planned, and soon we will get some new pinballs out and some new SLEs. Why not, guys? Come on, do it!